In anger, he then drove into the side of the exceptionally got a 10-second penalty drive. Felt it should have been more.
That's the only kind of result that you can get from such disgusting driving. I think the whole paddock now we can all drive like that, and you can still score fourth place. So, I don't have a radio. I think if we do the penalty, then we should both be looking at it.
Well, amid the chaos, Red Bull's Daniel Ricciardo Mercedes Valtteri Bottas snatched second place of 18-year-old Lance Stroll in the line. Hamilton fifth behind Vettel and is now 14 points adrift. Can begin preparing for the test matches against South Africa.